Hi, I'm Christine Pini, and I'm here today with Jean Adams of Opus Advisors. And Jean is a mortgage advisor, and she's here to tell us a little bit about down payment assistance programs, which is really a big deal here in Santa Cruz County. Rents being so high and purchase costs being so high, it can be extremely difficult to save for that down payment, which can be as much as $200,000 if you were paying 20% down. So, I'm wondering, with folks paying so much for rent and it's expensive to have a family and pay for gas, and what kind of programs are out there to help someone get into a home?
Thank you, Christine. Thank you for having me here. I'm excited to tell people about these programs. There are local and state programs that are available for first-time home buyers. Mm-hmm. And these programs are designed to help customers obtain financing to help them with their closing costs and down payment, or just one or the other. Mm-hmm. So there are some programs that offer grants. A grant is truly a gift. You do not have to pay it back.
That's wonderful.
It is wonderful. Mm-hmm. There are other programs that allow you to borrow money for your down payment and borrow a little bit of money for your closing cost. But those interest rates for those particular programs are very low. For example, one is at 0%, wow. Right? One is at 2.5%, and these are deferred payments. So this doesn't have to get paid back until the day that you sell your home, or if you refinance out of this particular program. But it's a huge help.
That's amazing.
A lot of times, customers don't feel that first of all, they don't know about this program, mm-hmm. right? And number two, they feel that their income limit may be too high. Their mm-hmm. income is high, but they don't know that the income limits for these programs have increased.
Yes. And so, by example, can you give us an idea of where that income limit is?
Absolutely.
I know they probably vary, but maybe as an example.
Yeah, for sure. Mm-hmm. Santa Clara County, for example, approximately $224,000 is the household income limit.
That's incredible.
Right? Santa Cruz County is $172,000 for the income limit. That's amazing.
So many people may not even know they qualify because Absolutely. They think their income is too high.
Exactly.
Now, in a previous video we talked about the mortgage certificate, credit certificate. Can that be used as well? Can these programs be used together?
Yes, they can be layered together.
Okay.
So let me give you an example. I just recently worked with young professionals that closed on their mortgage. They're first-time home buyers. Mm-hmm. Their first loan amount was $453,100. Mm-hmm. They closed their loan with only $8,500. That is because they borrowed a second junior lien of about $16,000 at 0%. And then they borrowed maybe another $13,000 that was in third position to help them with their closing costs, and that was approximately $13,000. Mm-hmm. That helped them bridge that gap.
Yeah.
And on top of that, they added the MCC mortgage credit certificate. So now they're able to get about $396 per month in tax credit to help them with their mortgage credit.
That's
mortgage payment.
With their mortgage payment, that's enormous. Now, how does one apply for that?
So it's just like anything else, you have to do it up front. Okay. Don't wait until you find your home first. Get pre-approved up front, because each program has its own restrictions. Mm-hmm. Each program has their own income limit, price range limit, loan limit. But that's what we're here for.
Absolutely.
Speak to a professional. We will make sure that we get you, see what programs you do qualify.
That's right. Don't wing it. Talk to a professional.
Yeah, exactly.
That's right, on the front end to make everything easy.
Exactly.
Well, thank you so much for being here, and I hope that's been helpful to everybody.
Thank you. Thank you. I enjoy being here.
Thank you.